Alright guys, we're back again for another video. We're going to change this faucet out by mowing. There's the code if you need to pause it. This just had a lot of built up calcium. It was messing up the sprayer, so I just decided to replace it. So we're going to go underneath and turn off the water supply, hot and cold. Once you look up, you'll see 4 spouts. The farthest one to the right is your sprayer. And that one right there, and that one is your water line, and the one in the middle is for your sprayer hose. We're going to take these off with some channel locks. This one's the sprayer is already loose, so we'll have to take those knobs on the end and just spin them off. Get the channel locks, loosen them up. And you'll do a quick connect. After you get this one off, that sprayer, the middle ones, you're gonna do a quick connect, just pull straight down and it comes off. Once you get it connected, you can just push them up, pull it off. I had to clean this off. It had a bunch of crusty plastic underneath, so I used a knife, I used some soap, but I didn't use any chemicals. I just used a knife to pull it off, get it clean and smooth, and a bristle pad as well. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the part for the sprayer. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have this little packet of grease when you're attaching the faucet together. You're going to rub that grease on those O-rings. Push down in there hard and turn it to the right to tighten it down. After you do this, you're going to have a gasket. The bumps around the edge of the gasket need to be facing up or on the top. You want the bottom to be flush and flat. Line them up. You're going to spin those supports back on. And then we're going to attach this little adapter for your sprayer hose. You'll hear a click. And then when you attach the hose, you'll hear another click. Now we're going to attach our water lines. Do not need Teflon with these, plastic. So just tighten them up real good. Turn your water lines on. And let's run some water and then we'll test it for leaks. If you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.